There's so much drama in my life. I want KFC. You wanna get KFC?
I'm not allowed to eat
Oo nga
kasi
pala.
I have to be fasting for my doctor tomorrow.
Okay.
I cannot drink water. I cannot eat. They're going to get me blood. And I hope they can get some blood because it's very hard to get my blood.
Oh.
Yes, they have to fishbowl my veins all the time.
Yes.
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 What you
Oh
want to
yeah,
talk about?
here.
Huh?
I just want to explain. So guys, the diet Alex is doing. She eats it. Did you explain this now?
No, I don't talk about it.
No, no. So I have alarms for Alexa to eat.
Yes.
I have alarms.
Okay, so I will explain it. So basically, because again, I think I told them before that I have a bad habit of torturing myself. Like I don't eat. I don't eat at all, or I will binge, and then when I eat, I feel so bad and all of that. So I'm trying to fix that and eating nutritious food, actually. And then, so I eat like every 2 hours, but I weigh everything I eat. Like, let's say, 100 grams of an orange, ganyan. But yeah, you think it's a lot because you keep on eating, but it's just really, really light. But it helps me not binge on food and not starve myself. And yes, it's not a crash diet at all. It just helps me become healthier. Yes.
Yeah. And since I'm supporting her, I help her with her intervals. So she has to. Ito, these are her times. She has to eat. This is her breakfast. This is her snack. This is her lunch. This is her snack again. And then this is her snack. And then this is. Ay, wait. Ano ba? Ay, yeah, tama. Basta your last meal is 10
Yeah.
p.m. And yes,
Okay.
I prefer military time because it's I like it.
Can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Can you search sa user here on Kumu JM21 underscore?
Oh, I kicked him out. I
Oh,
don't
you
need that
did?
kind.
Because he's
Yeah.
still here and I reported him already.
Yeah, I reported him now.
Yes.
It's all good.
Yes.
And now there's another one. Get out of here. Get out of my life, you. Oh my god, you're so.
Yeah.
Get out of my life, you.
Kick them.
Get out of my life, you.
I-block mo na. I-kick mo pa.
No, I
Dog
block
on
kick and
one.
then mute. That's what I do. I just block, kick, mute. The
I
triple
love
kill.
that. It's such a satisfying feeling. You block and then you kick. Yes.
Yeah, block, mute.
Block, mute, kick. Yeah.
Get out of my life here, you.
Hmm.
Triple kill, yeah. You just mute them. Because if you just mute them, they can still contact you.
Why would you want them to contact you? Like, get away.
Yes, get away.
Exactly, get away. Don't touch me, don't look at me, don't breathe near me, nothing.
Great. Do you need anything tomorrow? Because, I don't know.
I need prayers. I'm
Okay.
scared.
No, but, yeah, but like anything material, like you want anything?
Um, I think I'm good.
Okay. Like medicine, water,
I don't think so. I think I'm
food.
okay.
Okay.
I'll just send this to my mother. My mother. Never mind. Bagal lang internet. They keep asking when is the Joa challenge. We are going to shoot it. Hopefully,
Soon.
hopefully this next week, June 7. I hope hindi na mawala ng schedule. I hope. Please allow us to shoot, please.
Yes.
Yes.
We'd love that. No. Not
What you
again.
wanna do? What you wanna say? What you wanna talk about every day?
I am just removing the people that I do not need in my life.
Yes. We don't need them, honey.
I'm actually planning to delete my like delete my Facebook.
Why?
No, then I'll make a very private Facebook na
Ah,
puro.
gets. Yeah,
Yeah.
gets. Grabe, like when I want to show you something on Facebook, I have to screenshot every picture and
Yeah, I
send it to
don't
you.
really use. I'm gonna take care of that. I'm gonna make a private messenger.
Nag-aaway ba kayo ni KD? No.
No,
Mm, we don't need that.
we don't need that in our life.
Yes.
They really want me to reveal the picture. No,
What picture is that ba?
it's my favorite. It's it's my wallpaper.
The front or the
The
inside?
in, the inside, the inside.
Ooh. Ooh. Q&A. Okay. What you guys want to ask? What you want to say?
Q&A. Favorite. Someone asked favorite, but favorite what?
Favorite what? Favorite
Favorite what?
anything, I guess.
Favorite. Okay. Your favorite snack, like besides peanut butter.
Oh. Ah, damn it. That's kasi peanut butter. Nudes.
Oh,
Noodle.
okay, 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 okay.
Yes. Noodle.